How to change WhatsApp chat wallpaper. First, open the WhatsApp app. On Android, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. On iPhone, tap Settings at the bottom right corner. Next, tap Chats, then select Default Chat Theme or Wallpaper under Display section, depending on your WhatsApp version. You'll now see several wallpaper options: solid colors and photos. Choose the category you want, then select a wallpaper preview. If you want to use your own picture, tap Wallpaper and choose an image from your gallery. You can adjust the image and preview how it will look in your chats. Once you're happy with the wallpaper, tap green OK button. Your new background will now appear in WhatsApp chats. That's it. You've successfully changed your WhatsApp chat wallpaper. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips, customization guides, and easy tech tutorials.